Today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a camera in OBS. I'm also going to share some secrets that I've never seen anybody use before, so feel free to steal it, copy it, improve your stream. I don't care. I'm just here to help you out. So the reason I'm making this video is because having an additional camera makes content creation that much easier. Or even if it's your first camera and you're just getting started, I know not everybody has a DSLR or a spare camera just sitting to the side. Since I'm sharing my secret with you, all I'm asking is that you subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'm just here trying to make content tips to help everybody out, make it a lot easier for you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistakes I did when I first started streaming. So the first step is we're going to head over to a website called vdo.ninja. All right, once you're on vdo.ninja, what you're going to do is come over, click create reusable invite. You can name the media source whatever. I'm going to name it Chumby after my 20-pound fat cat. Yes, I know you want to see him, so here's a picture. All right, let's get back into it. Click the generate the invite link. Now, there's going to be two different links here. One is an OBS browser source link, which is specific to you. Make sure not to share this with anybody. And in the event you do, you can just create another invite link and it'll just give you a new OBS source link. The top link is what you're going to either send to yourself to enable your camera, or here's the fun part, which I'll explain later in the video as my secret. You can give this link to anybody. All right, so now that we're in OBS, which by the way, please do not judge my sources. I always try out a bunch of different stuff. So if it works or it's cool, I like to keep it there just in case. But to add this, all you're going to do is click the plus sign on source. You're going to go over to browser. You can name it however you want. So I'm going to call it cat cam. Hit OK. And then in the URL, you're going to put the OBS browser source link. You can resize this later. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing on my phone at the same time as this video. So you're going to go to the email that you send the guest invite link to. You're going to click the link. It'll take you to this new page where it'll ask you if you want to share your camera or your screen. You're going to click on share your camera. It's going to ask if you can have access to your microphone and your camera. You're going to want to say yes. You can use your phone's mic to capture audio, which is really awesome about this. You can do front camera, back camera, fisheye lens. There's a bunch of different options, but just for this, I'm just going to hit start and bam. As you can see, my phone is now casting over to OBS. And on top of that, it looks pretty good for a phone comparative to the DSLR. This is such an awesome tool. I've used this for cat cam, cooking streams. The possibilities are endless. You could even do like a top-down keyboard stream for all my FPS shooters. It's whatever you want to do with it. Now, to share my secret with you guys, you can take that invite link and give it to anybody, friends, significant others, anybody you want to join stream with you. They no longer have to be there with you or in a Discord call. The best part is you can use it to elevate your community as well. You have a mod that you want to wish a happy birthday to, boom, send them the link. Now they're part of the stream. It's tools like this that help you stand out and make your stream really special. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below. I do respond to every comment, or pop in a stream. The link's in the descriptions. My name's Kid Shadow. Go make some content.